Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. International Women's Day is here, and this year Women's Day has been quite special for me only because I got invited to this exclusive hair care and grooming session by Vogue India. It was so much fun and I got to learn so much about hair care and beauty by Vogue's beauty editor Sneha Mankani and Dr. Aparna, who is an experienced cosmetologist and dermatologist. Sneha shared some pretty hairstyles and some DIY hair packs. She also gave us an insight on what goes behind the quite glamorous editorial fashion and beauty shoots. How models spread their hair and skin before facing the camera, and I also got to meet so many women achievers and some fellow YouTubers. So I thought of sharing all the beauty insights and hair care tips shared by Dr. Aparna and Sneha through this video with you all. So let's quickly begin. So first we'll begin with a very easy and boho inspired hairstyle that Sneha taught me. Now this is so simple and so relaxed that any one of you can recreate this. So guys, remember that before you try out any new hairstyle, you need to prepare your hair at least a day before. I applied coconut oil thoroughly in my hair last night, and I've washed my hair and air dried it, so my hair looks quite manageable and soft. Coconut oil can reverse damages done to your hair by heat and styling tools by up to 100%. To begin with the style, I'm going to brush my hair thoroughly. Take a hair chunk from the side like so and make a simple braid. Since this is a very boho inspired style, you don't have to be perfect. Just keep it very relaxed and messy. Go for a thick braid or a thin one, whatever you prefer. Hairstyling products and heat tools like flat irons, dryers, tongs, etc. damage the hair. Dr. Aparna suggested using coconut oil regularly because that's the only oil that penetrates up to 10 layers deep into the hair shaft. It moisturizes even the frizziest hair and forms a protective layer over it, reversing damage and protecting hair shaft from any further damage. Now cross over the braid on the other side like so. Keep it really tight so it does not slip away. Use a bobby pin to secure it. Repeating the same on the other side as well. So here we have the headband. You can either keep it simple or just make it look a little fun as I did. Now this appears to be super boho with some flowers. To tame the frizz and baby hair poking out, I'm going to apply a very little quantity of coconut oil wherever required. So guys, this is the simple hairstyle that Sneha shared, and this is actually so simple, beautiful and so much boho inspired. I have jazzed it up a bit by using some flowers. You can use any of your favorite accessories. Probably you can put in some shells or pearls or flowers, whatever you like. Here you can also go a step ahead and style the rest of the hair in a loose braid or in a messy bun. I'm going to apply a tiny bit of coconut oil on my lens and braid the remaining hair. So this is my version of Sneha's hairstyle that you can probably try for college parties or brunches or even for beach vacations. Also, like while attending the session, I learned so much about coconut oil and how versatile it is. Everybody came up with their own ways of using it, for hair growth and also for skin. For example, Sneha shared this really nice, DIY hair mist recipe wherein you can just add a spoonful of coconut oil with 2 spoons of rose water, organic rose water in a spray bottle, and just shake it up and use it on your hair whenever you feel your hair is looking too dry or brittle. I always use my coconut oil by mixing a lot of hair growth, promoting herbs like curry leaves, hibiscus flowers, also some methi seeds. I've shared this recipe so many times on my channel, so you can probably go and check those videos out. Coconut oil also controls dandruff and itchiness on the scalp, so you can always mix up some thick yogurt along with some coconut oil and make a nice thick pack and apply it on your scalp, and it really helps you get rid of itchiness and dandruff. Besides all this, Dr. Aparna also said that beauty reflects from within. You are actually what you eat. So if you wish to have gorgeous hair and glowing skin, you should always focus on what you eat.
So we don't need to even go running behind the superfoods that are touted like broccoli, etc. Just eating our good old palak, our good old, sarson da saag in winter, eating our own native vegetables which are multicolored, eating sprouts, but ensuring that every meal is a balanced plate and a balanced meal.
Since our hair is made of keratin, which is a type of protein, it's very important for us to include protein in our everyday diet to keep our hair healthy and growing. So make sure that you have a lot of protein every day. Sprouts is a very good source of protein. Especially Indians, we are mostly vegetarians or vegans, so we don't get that kind of protein, in our everyday food because we don't have animal protein. So make sure that you have a lot of sprouts. Also, you can have green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits besides walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, so that you get your share of biotin and protein every day. Sneha also shared a very simple DIY hair pack, which includes coconut oil, which is quite good for rough and frizzy hair. So I'm going to quickly show you that. This is a very simple, only 2 ingredient hair mask for deep conditioning. Take 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. I'm using Nihar natural coconut hair oil. I'm using this currently because it works quite fine for my hair. Then add 3-4 tablespoons of organic honey. These 2 natural ingredients work great for dandruff and rough hair. Apply it on the scalp with the help of your fingertips. Leave it for 30 minutes and then shampoo as you always do. So guys, this is all I learned from Vogue beauty editor Sneha Mankani and Dr. Aparna. Make sure that you try this hairstyle out and tag me in your pictures, guys. Just post it on Instagram and tag me. My Instagram handle is given here. Also, take really good care of your hair by trying out the tips that I shared with you, and wish you all gorgeous women a very, very happy Women's Day. Take care and see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.